So the first time I came in here, I had to be carried in by my boyfriend. I couldn't walk. I had 2 slip discs in my lower back. Dr. Devin propped my legs up on this huge box, and I learned later that they were actually really busy that day, but I never would have known it at the time. They were really attentive, and he got me like an ice pack, and I was here for probably like 30 minutes, an hour maybe, yeah. But they were really attentive the whole time, and I was able to walk out on my own that day with a little bit of help, a little bit of assistance, but regardless, I was able to walk out the door, so.
Show us where you're at today. What can you do?
Walk all on my own.
All right, guys, you ready? You're gonna be superstars. I know, I don't look pregnant from the front, and then I turn to the side, and people are like, oh my gosh, what happened?
Especially
like, what do you think happened? I'm pregnant. Like, surprise.
Got rid of it, brought it back.
Brought it back. 8 months in, there we go. Your story's the best. Like, it didn't start out so well, but now it's great. You're doing amazing. You feel good, you can work out, do the things you want to do. Jack's just super excited to be here. Deep breath in, all the way out. There we go. Come a little lower. Deep breath in again, all the way out. Relax your shoulders. There we go. Yeah, you're like night and day from when you started.
Oh yes. Now I go to the gym 5 days a week.
5 days? Feeling stronger?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, things have been a lot more stable.
I can actually do lower back days and not
Heck yeah.
be able to not walk after.
Back days, leg days. I'm not gonna lie, I hate leg day.
Leg days are my favorite.
Is it? Give me arm day. Dr. Devin always tells the story of grabbing that big box and putting your legs on it
Does he?
so he can adjust you. Yeah. I come right here. Relax, relax. Good. One more.
Oh.
Those are the best. There we go. You go and sit up. Good double thumbs.
That's a good one. Did you hear that?
No.
No?
You didn't?
I
Sad.
did.
Don't worry, yours is next. So
Mine.
your neck is typically pretty loud. It's good stuff.
Mainly with my knee.
Your knee.
I've been telling him he needs to get up and walk around while he's at work, but he won't.
I have been actually.
How long do you sit at a time?
All day.
Long time?
Yep.
No response typically means a long time.
Like 8 hours.
All right, these are your favorite. Relax your shoulders. There we go. It's okay, you don't have to hold it in. Deep breath in again. All the way out. There we go.
Ow.
Ow, you mean that was awesome. Are we still doing decompression on your knees? Yes. Are you doing that today?
I don't know.
Remember. Look. I am going to do a little bit of impulse on your knees as well today, though. All right. Comfortable?
Yeah, no, I thought you.
All right, we're going to start low first. You're sitting all day, so it'll help a lot. One more. Relax your shoulders. Good. All right, and then let's do a little bit extra on your knees. We'll start with the left. I know you love it. I know. Don't be jealous next time. We all need a little extra.
Listen, I got extra
That's the one.
Yeah. This is just gonna help break up that scar tissue a little bit extra, loosen up those muscles. Good. Just help that knee get to tracking a little bit better. And this one. Ready? I mean, you don't have to like pull up your pants, it's fine.
That's easier.
Perfect. I know you love it. You can hate me a little bit in the moment and thank me later for it. It's fine. His knee has been hurting for, I'm gonna say about a year or so. He just works hard, up and down, going up and down the stairs hurts. But we have our decompression machine, which helps to open up those joints and loosen things up, get through scar tissue, kind of help realign things so that those joints can feel better faster. So this is our knee decompression machine. I know it looks a little bit crazy, but essentially what this does is our patients will sit here, bring their leg up, and you actually get strapped in here and then up higher. And this actually helps to open up that knee joint in a way that we just can't with our hands, basically. It essentially helps to pump the joint so that way it brings more blood flow, breaks up that scar tissue, and restores mobility. And when you start to do that and open up the knee in that way, it can heal a lot faster. So we see people with like small meniscal tears or small ligamental tears. It helps to heal that a lot faster.